Last time I stepped on stage, I brought the best package I could. Conditioned, tight, and proud of the journey. Pero alam mo yun, after months of prep and being dialed in, pagkagaling mo sa stage, there's this quiet, parang, what now? But yung prep na yun taught me discipline, patience, and most of all, resilience. Now, 24 weeks in dito sa off-season, sarap ng feeling kasi halos every week nag-improve ako. Wala na masyadong brain fog, nakakapag-train ako ng maayos, nakakatulog ako ng maayos. Ngayon, parang everything is going well. Kasi I know, ito isa sa mga mistakes ko na this is the moment or this is the time na the foundation is built. During the off-season, during bulking, doon may build yung muscle mo para when the time comes na mag-cut ka na ulit, makikita mo yung improvements. So I could say na lahat nag-improve naman. Mostly yung posterior chain ko, which is yung weakness ko talaga. Nag-improve siya. Feeling ko rin. And yung shoulders, yan. Almost all naman, not to brag, nag-improve. Ayun, happy with that progress. But syempre, may mga araw pa rin na tinatamad ako. May mga araw na wala akong gana. But wala, kailangan mong, it boils down kung gaano mo talaga ako gusto. And ayun, all you have to do is show up, show out. And lahat ng efforts na yun, mag-a-add up din. Ayun nga pala, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm Von Campos and I make fitness-related content. And for this video, tatakal natin yung off-season ko, somewhat off-season update. Pakita ko or share ko sa inyo yung mga struggles ko and yung mga mini victories ko throughout these 24 weeks na nakaraan. And ayun, sit back, relax, and enjoy the vlog. Off-season work, hindi siya pang-viral content. Kasi medyo, in a way, boring. Kasi puro buhat ka lang, di ba? Getting stronger, ganyan. And yun nga, hindi siya pang-viral, ganun. Hindi siya ganun ka-exciting if you think of it. But during the off-season, dun nabubuo yung mga champions eh. Dun yung time na mag-build ka ng foundation mo, ganyan. And after nung last season ko, yun talaga yung goal ko eh. Either 2026 or 2027. Ang goal ko talaga is to be a champion. Gusto ko mag-gold. I'm putting it out there. Diba? Kasi ginagawa ko naman na to. So why not shoot for the best? Diba? But real talk, hindi laging perfect. Sa dami ng gusto mong gawin, minsan di mo na alam ano unahin. Especially recently. Even before my season last year, dumami na talaga yung mga responsibilities ko. That's not a complaint though, since I love what I do. But I made some sacrifices din with the things that I was doing before. Na-let go ko na yung freelance, and I'm not seeking clients for online coaching. Siguro because I prioritized my day job in a way, but also to have more time for myself. Kasi the more you get older, the more you realize na ang personal time, it's priceless. It's not all about making money and meeting more people. It's having peace with yourself and acceptance na you can't get it all. Also, more mental space sa training kasi again, going out of the 2024 season, goal ko talaga mag-gold next year or next time around. But ayun, I'm still trying to figure out how to be present outside the gym while still showing up inside the gym.
Hi guys! Akala nyo si Santorino no? Si Ringo lang to, ang pinaka-cute na marketing manager ni AirPods. Alam nyo ba, hindi lang ako pang stud session, pang YouTube din ako. Kaya gusto ko lang sabihin, kung di pa kayo nakalike at subscribe, anong ginagawa nyo? Oh, naghihintay ako Pindutin mo na. Pindutin mo na, libre lang yan. O baka naman, pabuti na natin ng 10,000 subscribers tong channel na to. Promise, pag na-reach namin yan, magla-live ako habang nag-judgeable. Promise nyo i-like nyo and subscribe. See you next time!
For the most part, that's been great. Apart dun sa mga first few weeks ng prep, as expected. And nung nag-Bacolod ako, yung tulog ko rin, na-address ko na siya. I've been taking parang supplements din sa gabi to help with my sleep quality and sa pamparelax. So, before, parang mga 5 hours lang yung tulog ko, 5 to 6 hours. And parang tinitake ko siya as a badge of honor. Na parang, kaya ko mag-perform, kaya kong mag-function kahit na 5 hours lang. Pero I realized na yung sleep, malaking bagay. At syempre, may mga days pa rin na medyo bitin yung tulog, ganun. Depende sa schedule. But, ayan, for the most part, nag-average ako 7 to 8. Apart from those things, nagkaroon din ako ng opportunity to rediscover and reignite yung former passions. Whenever I feel like down or whatever, alam mo yun, parang malaking help lang din siya mentally for me. Itong bulking season taught me na you're more than your macros, more than your PRs. And if you lose touch with your why, passion becomes performance. But when you stay curious about who you are outside the gym, that's when things get real again. So next week, mag-start ako ng mini cut. Nothing drastic, just a little clean up, konting recalibration. Honestly, excited na ako kasi gusto ko makita talaga kung gano'n nakalayo yung progress. Hindi kasi natin, makikita naman, pero mas makikita kasi pagka leaner na ng onte. So, I'm gonna run siguro mga 8 weeks to 10 weeks na mini cut. Yun din yung payo ng coach ko. Para, yun nga, a little clean up lang. Again, kung gusto nyo makita yung journey again ng cutting, siguro gagawa ko ng mga more light vlogs para makita nyo yung kinakain ko, training ko, ganyan. If gusto nyo. So, let me know. Comment down below. So, ayun guys. Basically, that's it. Yun lang yung parang gist ng off-season ko. Hindi ko na masyadong diniscuss lahat, like kung anong specific foods yung kinakain ko. Kasi basically, kung ano yung kinakain ko yung nung prep, yun lang din kinakain ko now. But more, mas marami lang siya talaga. Training-wise, same lang din naman halos. Kaya wala rin masyado talagang nagbago except talaga yung sleep quality and I guess yung intent ko sa pagbubuhat, yung approach ko sa training. Mas seryoso na ako ngayon. Kasi may point last off-season ko na parang pumupunta ako sa gym. Hindi naman sa parang naglalaro-laro lang ako. Pero hindi ko napupush talaga yung parang mas may ipupush pa ako. And I guess ito na yun. Ito na yung point na yun ngayon. Kaya yun lang muna yung update for this one. Kung gusto nyo sundan ko to ng isa pang off-season update, gagawa rin ako in the future. Ewan ko, sorry guys kung medyo all over the place yung mga content na nilalabas ko lately. Pero wala ito kasi yung parang mga gusto kong gawin, naisip kong gawin na kahit na nag-dip yung views ko by a lot, talagang tinitignan ko na lang siya na ito yung creative outlet ko. So kung sa inyong mga nanonood man ito, kung umabot man kayo dito, super salamat sa tuloy-tuloy na binibigyan niyo ako ng opportunity na gumawa ng mga videos, diba? Kasi alam mo yun, hindi ko naman, I'm not gonna lie na yung views, isa siya sa mga motivations kung ba't ko pa siya tinutuloy. And hindi pa naman nagsi-zero views. So at least okay pa din. May mga 100 to 300 ganon. Kung papuntahin ko sabi ko nga kung papuntahin ko kayo lahat sa amin, hindi na puno yung bahay namin. Anyway, yun lang yung update. Next week magka-cut na ako. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Again, this is Bon Campos reminding you to follow your passion kahit na 0.1% progress lang every day. Okay lang kasi it will all add up someday. See you on the next one, guys. I'm out. Peace.